Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan, software developer. We are looking into a SQLite database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about collation in SQLite. Particularly in this session, I'm going to explain about a no-case collation. Okay, for that I'm going to create this simple employee table. I didn't give much columns in the table because it's just a demonstration purpose. I'm using this. I'm going to use this table. So yeah, I'm going to create it first. Yeah, the table is created successfully, and now I'm going to insert these rows into the employee table. Okay, so yeah, executed properly, and let us see the values from the employee table. So we have a result. It's a simple query and we have a result, right? So I just want to now I want to order the name. Okay, so for that simply uh, I wrote the query like this, right? So if I execute, the name is ordered, but you can see in the name column, so we have two rock, the value we have the rock in uppercase and also in lowercase, but it should not be it should not order like this, right? So even if the case are different in the value of the name column, it should be ordered properly, right? So for that we are going to use collation in SQLite. So for that I'm going to add some keywords like collate no case. So now if I order the name in the employee table, so you will see the result now. Yeah, now the name rock is ordered properly even if the case is different uh, in uh, in uh, in the rows. Okay, so we have a uppercase, we have a lowercase, but when we use the collate no case, when we order, and it will give the proper result, right? So you may have a question. So do we need to mention this collate no case in all queries when we order the particular column? No, we have a other solution. So by default, when we create the table, so we can give the collation in the name, sorry, in the column when we create the table. So for that, I'm going to show you that solution. So for that, I'm going to drop the table first. Yeah. Now, so now I'm going to create the employee table with two columns, ID and name. In the name column, I'm going to specify the collation. Okay, so if I execute the query, my employee table is created as usual. So now I'm going to insert the four rows. Yeah, also inserted. Now so if we execute a simple query, and we have the same result what we already received in the previous session, right? And now if I order by name without specifying collate no case, what would be the result? So now you can see, even if the case is different in the value of column, if any value of the column name column, so it ordered properly now, right? um, Even if we did not specify the collation in the query, because by default when we create the table, we specified that name column is um in no case collation. Okay, so this is what NOCASE Collation in SQLite. So yeah, I hope you can understand what NOCASE Collation in SQLite. Yeah, if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and press the bell icon. And yeah, in the next video I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite. Yeah, bye bye, thank you.